Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sentry for error tracking in Python data jobs step by step clearly. First, let's start by creating a Sentry account if you don't already have one. Visit the Sentry website and click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, log in to your account. Once logged in, create a new project. Select Python as your platform for this project. Sentry will provide you with a key and a DSN URL. Now, open your Python environment where you run your data jobs. Install the Sentry SDK by running the command pip install Sentry SDK. Next, import the Sentry SDK into your Python script. Initialize Sentry by calling sentry_sdk.init and pass your DSN URL as a parameter. Optionally, you can configure additional settings within this initialization. To capture errors, use the sentry_sdk.capture_exception method in your error handling logic. Surround your main code with a try except block to effectively catch and log errors. In the except block, call sentry_sdk.capture_exception and pass the exception. For additional context, you can use sentry_sdk.set_context to add custom data. Run your Python script to ensure it's functioning correctly. Trigger an error intentionally to verify that Sentry captures it. Log back into your Sentry dashboard to check if the error was recorded. Review the error message and stack trace provided by Sentry for troubleshooting. You have now successfully set up Sentry for error tracking in your Python data jobs. This setup will help you monitor and resolve issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.